Me did Isaac Jumpo, but me family the great sample and bring one man come on here too much G8. Too much G8, more too much. Namen so me I'm more fire.
For me, my Obibia, aqua by the by too much G8, and I think so. I am winning about musical. Now, me then someone I circulate to one my more ever so more. Yenila, a Dianimu Pefe said this year, dear. A election yet, Yama Bibia, any other thing be I silent. Ye cry and share your former president, a year, Jerry John Rollins in Poe Wounds, a secret and Framampo, sunset. And where you do money, dear, 4 days, not just say, yeah, the election, as she shares with teachers say, baby, I do not attention whatso any election, I did Babu Aquemo. Now, Emra campaign, STT, and not just a prophecy, so do Dwana and a bed too, Janet here for a year prophecy, a year was so for Amwakwa. Eddie bed too, just say a year. Party ba dear, a year then ya woman a woman befa. If it's when your prophecy afa hon. Na enu and aqua we say, and favor a year other parties ninty, woman eddy year to insult, edima a year or software a year Reverend Amwako. Na nin someone what the two Johnny say, one on your what true for. Onyame akasa na wakasa na nyame akasa so no ye nyame akwa so de na enu mu asem ne de hu be hia se wo de betudwa e wo mra esem na wo gidi se mra esene mu so no de sa enkom hye no e betudwa nti dudu na wo mo ye ne de wo mo bo mo de a enhwe eye the way yo mo ye wo mo ne ye no na wo ko so ka se de bio election we bon someone ka se pija no hu wo mo pa. Even though say prophecy abase eye party kuo amonyo kuo particular one be na befa eye abano nanso sunsunjuma koso nipa kuo bi akon invite eye demons omo promise o say moja kan o memo mo bia no na nu nti na ma demons na be piem wo Ghana ha omo ba be monitor election we say na be ko in favor of amanyokuo na ka yeso mulusu eye election we dey for na men kan ensem sen ya wo si kan Mr. Reverend Amwako said, because of my prophecies, many people are insulting me. I read it, but what God has said, I can never say lies about it. And I want to ask, every single day, God speaks to me because the evils that the devil wants to plant in Ghana is too dangerous. That is why I am praying every single day. According to the man of God, God revealed to him the one of the high spirit of Satan has come to this land because certain political party has promised him a lot of human blood and they are on the land to help this party to win a power. That is why I can never sleep to let evil rule the nation. We continue to do all night. I ask myself why some people in Ghana don't like what is good, but God revealed to me that they are not real. They are not real Israelites of Ghana. They are foreigners. That is why they never like good things. Utie ya papa yi kase mu a nia wo pa kire ni se eye amanyokuo ni bi aplant se na mdi ka mo boss no aplant eye evil and kasa wo oman mu all because of power wo mo painti na wono kra wonti asio woni mudie nti ankofukuo bi de omo mpa de papa mo kra no echi no kra echi papa ne mo nia wo mo pani ni na ne some person omo pebone on person with bad news and on near and on man to be on to so a bad attitude just say near and say and fatana no and I work as a sound way on near a year timemufo je woman on ya what war in Christ yamimuno woman dibu on yamimu just say a cast of foreigners and for Fukobia woman free a young for bi mu emo no mo free baby foforo it omo ne ye the way you accepting your money is different na wo pa che say enkrofo ye mo pe boni omo pre boni a omo susue na ye boni osusu se omo nye Ghana Israel for wa Ghana ha a che so mo ti nyame asensa enkrofo go no wo mo nka mo na emo regulations a ye wo se nya ka mo ne say sa enkrofo dom we na mo ni ye no ma dwem boni no mo ti mo po boni ni ti enya ade a wo mo no omo ewie ye no faso ebeba so netefo wo share prophecies a etwem yi na eni say prophecy ni bi e ba ye efi ye prophet ba ko wo say ye releasing demons be demons a wo mo kopie mu America ema che say ye election court one year one touch a ye ka say ye gusu di wo court one demons ni bi abagana na Ghana for esi eni brain ye bompa na ma eye amanyoku a che say ya bo aje omo so say revelations be braba so mo be fa no omutimu enyo mo defise sunsun njuma kwasopa na wo hwe eye reverend amuako a wada the Church of God Adabraka ministry ano ensun semo a wodi ababetudwa na utimi wo say as a confirmation be kwaso na dani darudo na kase life is in the spirit and actually say let's read the liberate so pa the violent will take it by force. Entamanyo kwoni ni na omo na womo de womo si womo na mo esumase edipetumi no there be say no credit na so mo say so mo ye ahweye na so so mo kan so say nyanyame ehira no no wo bibia entumi enkase na se na sitie bia Ghana ye nyina ye ma ye fa adwen papa kuma papa eni anamotuo papa enfa build the Ghana na yesusu se ye penifo no omofa no kore entu aba na sudie enwrene na se na papa ne kana asem ne mpai bossem no bigidi se Ghana fo ni na before ye for 7th December pepe ba kwato aba no ye inkasidi magana yemfa mpai bo kese all night akese enfa mbo mpai magana na sumje enti na o Ghana na evil plant bi e papa yi betu ja se wo madua ma o Ghana no ebese ye ho enfa ko na eti for hwe ensem ya ba betu ja wadwen kire wo ho ensen e wo be hia so be ja wadwen kire e wo ye comment section wo dia ma fa wo subscribe enso a bon mo modern netu sa na mo se ne be ya ye video cause the live streaming interviews ni discussion ya betu ja won so betumi ensa akabi no wetumi akire wadwen ne bon modern so ne share ne promote this channel and then so ye mercy cow na me did me ba somwo aha ene mebe ma me kwan na me de mo esi dasene ye besan ehia makawa mo